are you a college student or you are a Salesforce learner? So these are the few points which I want to share with you. First one is, whatever the project you are working, try to push your code over the Git. So what happens if you save or load all your code over the Git? So at the time of interviews, you can easily able to show all your code of the project work. Whatever the projects you are working, do push your code over the Git. This is the very important point, and interviews also will be impressed that you are having the experience of GitHub also. You are using this tool, and GitHub is mainly used in our deployment purposes, and also try to include this tool in your learnings. And then the next point is, whenever you are learning, whatever trailblazer you account you are having, whatever the super badges you are completing, try to share it over the social platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter. Okay. Why? Because these are the few things which really going to help you out when you will going to look for the opportunities or look for the interviews, right? So try to use the GitHubs for all your project codes and all. Then try to make your learnings or the skills whatever you are learning socialize, like using the social platforms. So these are the few points which you can keep in mind, and yes, they will going to help you out.